calling all curious crew members, calling all knowledge ninjas, calling all kids who are tired of boring lessons and long lectures. Welcome to 1 Minute for Kids, your one-stop shop for learning blasts that are short and sweet. Here's the deal. You've got a million questions buzzing around in that brainy head of yours, and we've got the answers in bite-sized, action-packed videos that won't leave you feeling like you're stuck in a snooze fest. Every day, except maybe for those rare unicorn sighting days, we'll be serving up a fresh new video packed with exciting facts, mind-blowing discoveries, and awesome adventures. From the depths of the ocean to the farthest reaches of space, no topic is too big for our tiny time limit. Think volcanoes erupting in a glitter storm. Imagine dinosaurs stomping to a funky beat. That's the kind of wacky, wonderful learning experience we bring to the table. Or should we say, the jungle gym? So, grab your favorite stuffed animal sidekick, cuddle up on the couch and get ready to laugh, learn and level up your knowledge in just 60 seconds. Because with 1 Minute for Kids, every day is a chance to become a smarty pants superstar. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the learning fun, and let your friends know that 1 Minute for Kids is the coolest way to spend, well, 1 minute of their day, of course.